All right, today is Monday, July 27th, and it's going to be the last full week of trading for July. So I'm going to do some market analysis, pre-market analysis here. We got about 37 minutes until the market opens. So let's jump right into it here. Last week we had sort of a move to the upside on Monday evening, and then after that we didn't see those prices anymore, and actually we made a lower low on the daily chart here. So if you go to the daily chart, we are seeing lower lows and lower highs, right? So here made all-time highs, made a lower low from here, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low on Friday. Friday, we actually did have the lowest close, which was 28,282.25. And that's been the lowest close since, it looks like, Wednesday, May 6th of this year. So now we're getting a little bit of buying coming in over the Tokyo session and London session. So we opened up, so we closed 28,000 to something, let's just say 28,300. We opened up around 28,500, so that's 200 points higher. And then we have made a high of 28,000, almost 750 there, 760. And now it looks like we're bouncing off of 28,663 or Friday's 15-minute opening range high, I believe. So if we go to the 15-minute time frame here, it does not look like it. So the high of Friday is going to be there, actually, which, yeah, we did. So we bounced off of 28,260, 225 essentially, and now we're coming back up. Let's see if we can break 28,700, but I really want to wait for this market to go up to 28,800 to see if we actually reject from there or if we start breaking out from there. Why do I want to see that level be broken? Because on the daily chart, that was actually a pretty good support. So right here, in this area, these 2 days, we had sort of a bounce there. So I want to see us break 28,800 and then move maybe higher to 29,200. So maybe another 400 point move to the upside. Geopolitical news came out stating that the U.S. and Iran conflict came down a little bit this last weekend, just because they wanted to speak about I don't know, whatever it is, right? But I think that's what's bringing the market back up. Uncertainty is not good for the markets. So whenever, like last Friday, President Trump's like, hey, we're gonna go full force, or Iran's like, hey, we're gonna go full force in a war, then the market does not like that, right? So now that some of those tensions have eased a little bit, we can see a little bit of buying here. Seeing what we do around this 28,800 level. If it comes back down, 28,400 would be a good bounce support spot there. But see if we can make a move either to the upside to 28,800 or to the downside 28,400 to see what price action does in those levels. So those are the only two options that I'm really looking at. Is if we come up to 28,800 and we start rejecting, making lower lows, then I'm going to go short. If we start breaking, though, we start making higher highs, that's when I want to go long. If we come down here, I want to see a bounce off of 28,400 and go long there. So that is the trading plan that I have today. I don't want to trade out of that trading plan, and I just want to stay consistently not consistently profitable, but consistently following my rules every single day this week. And it's gonna be a short week for me. I think so. Tomorrow I'm gonna actually head out of town for the rest of the week, and probably be taking one trade MNQ and then just locking myself out in Tokyo session. So that is a plan for this week. hopefully everyone is staying green, staying disciplined, and we'll see you sometime next week.